We've been enjoying our relationship for many years. Jantek manufactures, they're not purchased somewhere else, so they control the process. We can not only optimize the lead time, but we can also work together to make sure the customer is happy, and whatever it takes, that's what we do. Once we sign a contract, we place order with Jantek and we start processing everything else simultaneously. Typically within, I would say on average, 4 to 6 weeks, we are ready for the installation. Projects like this, we still have a lot of options, and Jantek has great products that we can choose from. We're local to each other. We are a phone call away from solving any issue, any task that puts the relationship in completely different spectrum than working with nationally known manufacturers. You don't have that kind of relationship.